everyone, happy Wednesday. Today's story is My First Thomas Railway Stories. Thomas, the really useful engine. Thomas is Sodder's number one. He works hard while having fun. Fetching, shunting, hauling too. There's nothing Thomas doesn't do. What a useful engine! Sometime trouble lies ahead and Thomas needs some help instead. When faced with danger, his friends are there because useful engines really care. Look, oh no! Cinders and ashes. There may be bumps and biffs and crashes, troublesome trucks, cinders and ashes. Thomas knows that when the day's work ends, he'll be safe in the sheds with all his friends. Good night, everyone. On to story number 2. James, the splendid red engine. This is James. He's number 5. His 8 strong wheels help him to drive. His dome is gold. His paintwork is red. He's the shiniest engine in the shed. Behind James, his tender rolls. His fireman keeps it filled with coals. This keeps James's steaming fast all day. Beep, beep, says James. We're on our way. James can go really fast. If sometimes trains are very long, James and Edward work as one. Slow down, calls Edward, full of worry. There's no need to rush. And hurry! Let's be really useful engines. Most of the time, though James is good, he pulls his load like an engine should. James may show off, but he's also kind. A finer engine would be hard to find. I'm the finest engine on Sodder. Percy, the cheeky little engine. Percy is Sodder's number 6. He shunts trucks and carries bricks. He may be small, but he works hard, puffing to and from the yard. Good morning! Gordon, James and Henry too think there are things that he can't do. But Percy always proves them wrong because little engines can't be strong. He did it! When all of Percy's work is done, it's time to have some sunny fun. The journey Percy loves the most is puffing to and from the coast. Woo-hoo! Beep, beep! When sometimes things don't go as planned, Thomas puffs to lend a hand. Then down the track they chuff together. Thomas and Percy, the best friends ever. Thank you, Thomas. The end.